Hello, welcome to Basic to Advanced Chemistry. I am Dr. Tolesa. This channel is dedicated to making chemistry simple, visual and practical, guiding you from the basic to advanced topics. Whether you are a high school student, a university learner, or simply someone passionate about science, you will find clear and engaging tutorials that break down complex concepts step by step. From atoms and bonding to chromatography, spectroscopy, reaction mechanisms, and molecular modeling, everything is explained in a way that is easy to follow and apply. I will use different tools, including scientific software, productivity tools, and multimedia platforms in a simple and practical way to support your learning and research. My goal is to support your academic and research journey by combining high quality content with useful applications, all in a simple and accessible way. So, if you are ready to understand chemistry deeply and confidently, make sure to subscribe, share, like, and join us as we explore chemistry from basic to advanced.